Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All thanks to Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
In Islam, alcohol is considered haram, forbidden, based on several verses from the Quran. The prohibition is rooted in the belief that alcohol can lead to the harmful consequences, both spiritually and physically. Science, on the other hand, generally approaches alcohol from a health and social perspective, examining its effect on the body and the behavior.
Quranic view. Islamic teachings on alcohol are clear with multiple references in the Quran. Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah An-Nisa, Surah Al-Ma'idah. In all these surahs, the prohibition of alcohol has been mentioned. Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 219. يسألونك عن الخمر والميسر قل فيهما إثم كبير ومنافع للناس وإثمهما أكبر من نفعهما.
The question 3 about strong drink and game of chance. In both is great and some alternative for the men, but the sin of them is greater than their usefulness. These first acknowledge that alcohol might have some benefit, but its harm outweighs them. Similarly, Quran provides clearest command for alcohol is forbidden, associating with harmful practice and influence of shaitan. Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 90. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون.
From scientific view, alcohol can have both short-term and long-term effects. When consumed in small to moderate amount, alcohol acts on the brain and central nervous system. It causes effects such as euphoria, relaxations, impaired judgment coordination, and memory impairment.
Reference: the Lancet study of 2018. The major global study published in Lancet found that no level of alcohol consumption is safe and is a leading risk factor for premature death and disability globally. WHO reports on global impact of alcohol noted that over 3 million deaths annually, approximately 5% of all deaths. WHO recommends banning advertising and increasing tax to reduce the harm. The books by Professor David Nutt, Anian Grace and Alan Carr, such as Drink, The New Science of Alcohol and Your Health. This naked mind control alcohol, the easy way to control alcohol, enlightens the reader's emotional and mental health impact through their own experiences.
As Quran clearly states that intoxicants divert people from prayer and remembrance of Allah in both moral and social harm, which leads to violence, reckless behavior, family disorder, physical health and harm of liver, brain and mental disorders. MashaAllah, as per the global record shows that Muslim community is the least to consume these drinks. Alhamdulillah, what an amazing order it is.
मैं जिस मौजू के बारे में आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ वो है शराब। कुरान और हदीस में शराब को जोरों शोरों के साथ हराम कर देते हैं। दुनिया और रिसर्च गवाह है कि शराब पीने से इंसान की सोच, जिस्म, रिश्ते और बदन का हर एक आज़ा कितनी मुतासिर होती है। सुभान अल्लाह, सर्वे के हिसाब से दुनिया में अगर कोई कौम सबसे कम शराब पीती है तो वो है मुसलमान कौम। और शराब पीने से इंसान की दिमाग के न्यूरॉन्स पे इतना असर पड़ता है कि वो काम करने का तरीका भी बदल देते हैं।